Hey guys, today we're gonna look at how to record screen with and without audio in your iPhone. I think it's after iOS 13 that they enable screen recording, and I might be wrong on this, but let's get started. But before we start, just gonna let you guys know, I've already started screen recording on my iPhone with an audio on. As you can see, there is a red blinking at the top left corner of my screen, and there is a orange dot right on top of the cellular network. So, first and foremost, we need to make sure we have an option to record. As you can see in this control center, once you drop down your control center from your rightmost corner, topmost rightmost corner, you're going to see there's a red blinking light and mine thing. That means it's recording my screen. And as you can also see, there's an orange microphone right next to system at the topmost middle of the screen. That means the audio is on. So how do we get this option? So we go to settings. In settings, there's control center. It's right underneath general. In general, since I already have that option on my control center, you can see it says in the included controls screen recording. So how do we add it over here? So let me first remove it. Well, as you can see now, when I drop down the main control center, there's no screen recording option on it. So how do I add it? So it's going to be in more controls, and there's this screen recording. I add it. It's over here in included controls. Now if I drop it down, you're going to see, oh yeah, that red blinking screen recording icon again. And when it's not recording, it's just going to be another grayed out icon in this control center. So right now, I'm recording with an audio enabled. So how do we make sure you can record with and without audio? So long press your screen recording, and you can see at the bottom there's a microphone icon with microphone on with red. That means the microphone is enabled. So if I want to disable it, I just tap on it. So once I tapped on it, the microphone was disabled. And if you need to record anything in future with microphone on, just make sure this option is enabled. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks, guys.